So the next thing we're going to need to do is actually create the function to delete from the queue. And so this one, it's triggered by the queue, and right now the queue isn't set up, so we're going to need to go to integrate here, expired item, the queue name is expired Google, and then we just need to set up the storage account here. Save that. I think when we save that, like the other example, it should automatically run and delete it. Let's just take a look at the code real quick and see how that is set up. So yeah, let's take a look over here and refresh this. And it is deleted. And so with the, I'm just gonna pause this real quick so it doesn't delete things. Go to functions up here and the delete from queue. I just wanted to show really quickly, let's just go in here and create a note real quick. Another test note. This one we're gonna say this note is going to be deleted. So I'll run that. It's going to give me my code back, which is here. I'm going to look in my Firestore and find the one that's going to be deleted. And then I'm just going to change this to an earlier date so that the function will actually pick it up. And so going back to the function that's going to pick it up, send expired to queue. I'm going to run that, and it is going to send it to the queue. So let me open up my queue again and see that in here. We've got 2 in here. So what the actual delete function does is this is actually part of the REST API call that we're going to need to do. If you remembered in our application settings here, that for the delete endpoint for Google Fire Storage is this v1 beta 1. Really what you need to do to delete it is just append the actual document ID with the rest of the endpoint and just do the delete command, and it'll delete it. So we've got 2 in our queue. If I enable this function again, oh, it looks like it's having issues again. Let's see here. I guess I didn't save that. So I'm going to save this. Okay. I guess it didn't save. I'm going to save that. And let's enable that again. And that should delete from the queue. Doesn't seem to want to save. Expired Google. Save. Okay. Let's see if that will run. It's saying the requested URL was not found. Oh, because we need to change this to delete note. Delete note path. Let's save and run that. And let's see here. And it may have already deleted it, and that's why. Let's take a look. There's nothing in our queue. If we look in our table storage, doesn't look like it was deleted though. Let me just refresh this. I don't think that'll make a difference. So it is deleting it from the queue, but it's just not deleting it from our database. So let's check out what's going on.